The Open BIM aliaxis software, developed by CYPE, is used in the BIM modelling of wastewater installations, incorporating products from the manufacturer aliaxis. This application is integrated into the Open BIM workflow via the BIMserver.center platform. The program is able to read models in IFC format, developed in Open BIM architectural modelling applications such as CYPE architecture or IFC Builder, as well as wastewater installations designed in CYPE plumbing sanitary systems. With its system of automatic generation of special joints and parts, Open BIM aliaxis auto-traces the layout of the wastewater installations from CYPE plumbing sanitary systems and creates a detailed model of the installation. For each section of the installation that is read, Open BIM aliaxis offers a line of aliaxis products and assigns types of pipes and accessories, while allowing users to edit and change them for any of the different ranges of aliaxis products. As well as automatically generating special pipes and pieces, the software also allows the user to model the layout of the pipes in 3D, independently from the auto trace of the imported installation. As a result, Open BIM aliaxis offers material schedules and quantities in BC3 format. The selected pipes and accessories are represented in 3D and linked to the BIM model. After exporting the installation to BIMserver.center, we can visualize it in all the 3D views, in the other applications used for the other disciplines of the project, and in augmented reality with the BIMserver.center AR application.